Hello, you're welcome to Allogenous Ideas. Today we are going to be going through how to create menus and how to add pages and custom links to menus in WordPress. So let's get to it. This is the site I'm working on. It's locally hosted. Um, as you can see, this is what my website looks like. So this is my home page, and the home page, I've disabled the header and the footer on this particular page. I've disabled the header and the footer, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be creating a new page. So if I come to new and page, there's a video I posted on how to, there's a video on the channel on how to create new pages. So on how to create new pages in WordPress. So you can just check the video out. I want to create a home page, another home page actually. So don't forget default template. So this default template is going to be carrying the header and the footer. So the reason why I'm having home 2 is because I have a home page already. So if I visit this home page, you can see this is what I have. But this is actually what I'm concerned with, just this header over here. So creating my own custom menu. As you can see, I have two home pages. So this is the default and this is another home page. So also for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be removing my home page from this particular page over here. I'm going to be using the second home page. So if I come to settings and I come to reading, I think. So I'm going to be using the second home page. If I come to save, so if I reload this page, you see my home page is switched. So now let's go to create the menu. So for you to create menus in WordPress, you come to appearance and you come to menus. Come to appearance and you come to menus. Now there are no menus on this particular website. So I have to create my first menu. So the name of my menu might be main navigation. So create the new menu. Now, these are all the pages I have. If you want to view all the pages I have, this is the most recent tab. Come to view all. So you get all the pages I have. As you can see, this is my front page. This is the privacy policy page. I have an about us, contact us, FAQ. To see a list of all the pages I have, you come to pages and you come to all pages. All the pages you have on the site will be displayed here. So you can see all the pages I have. So come back to menu. So the first item I want on my menu will be my home page. We click add to menu. So you can see the home page is here. So I want about contact and let me say services. Add to menu. You can see. So now for you to edit the precedence of this menu, for example, I want contact us to be the last one to be displayed. So this is how I will arrange it. Home, about, services, and contacts. I have to bring it to your notice that the display location of menus on your WordPress site is dependent on the kind of theme you are using. So, for example, some themes might be giving you just two positions. Some other themes might be giving you three or four display locations. So, for Astra, is giving us one, two, three, four, and five. So this is the footer menu and this is the primary menu. This primary menu over here for Astra is the menu we have here. This menu over here. So if I should come here to save the menu, don't forget I've chosen the primary menu as the location for this particular menu I'm trying to create. If I should come here to reload the site, look what I have: home, about us, services, then contact. So if I want to add, say, FAQ to this list, all I have to do, let me close this. All I have to do is to come to FAQ, add it to the menu. You can see FAQ is here. So I want FAQ to be after about us. After about us. So I'll come to save menu. Now going back to my home page, if I should reload this, you see, I have FAQ here. So what if I want FAQ to be a drop down of about us? All I have to do is to, I don't need all this, it's disturbing me. So since I want FAQ to be a sub menu under about us, I'll just drag FAQ a bit like this. If I should drag FAQ, it becomes a sub item. If I should save this, come back here and reload, you see FAQ is no longer there, but it's now a sub menu under about us. What if I want to create a sub menu of another sub menu? What I will do is let me come back here. Let me say for example, if services is supposed to be under FAQ, just so I'll save the menu, come back here. You see, if I come to about us, I have FAQ and I also have services. But you can see services is going overboard because the theme didn't put this into consideration. So let's just leave it as this. Then I think this is not bad. FAQ after services. So if I should save this, so you see what I have. I should reload. You see what I have: the home, the about, the services, and the FAQ, the contact us. Now, and one last thing I want to show us before we call it a day is how to add custom links. For example, if this were a, say, a an NGO site where you receive donations or something, and you want to link it to an external site, this trick can as well be used for any custom location on the site as well. So, for example, I have a GoFundMe page, and I want to link one particular item over here to the GoFundMe page. All I have to do is to, let me go and look for a GoFundMe. GoFundMe children donation. Let me just look for a random GoFundMe page. Let me look for a random GoFundMe page. Okay, you see what I have over here. This is the random GoFundMe page I'm going to be adding as a menu item on my site. So I'll copy this link over here. If I copy the link, I'll come to my menu. If I come to custom links, I'll paste the URL over here. Then the link text, I can say donate now. If I say donate now, add it to menu. You can see I have donate now over here, and it's the type is custom link. As you can see, this one is the front page, this one is just a regular WordPress page. So normally contact us should be the last thing. What I want to do is to bring FAQ over here, then donate now should be after services. I think that is how I would want to display this. Okay, so let me reload my homepage for the last time. You see what I have: the home, the about us, the services, this donate now. If I should open it in a new tab, it's taking me to the fundraiser link. So that is how you add a custom link, and I've shown us how to add the pages. So I don't know the use case that will be peculiar. I don't know what will be peculiar to your own use case, but I'm very sure that start watching this video up to this moment, you'll be able to add menus, custom links, whatever, to your navigation menus in WordPress. So thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so when we post content, you get notification on your device, and you might as well help us to share to the social media handles. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.